Hello, this is Erin Swenlin from decisionpoint.com. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about stops and how you might want to be using them. In particular, you want to be using them in a market just like we've been experiencing, a Teflon rally. You want to be protected, and stops are the best way to do that. There are three different kinds of stops. There's probably more, but the main ones that I am familiar with are the mental stop, the hard stop, and the trailing stop. The mental stop, don't recommend. This is when you look at the chart, you kind of decide, okay, when it hits this price, I'm going to sell it. But you don't set the stop. This really opens you up to playing back and forth in your mind about, well, it got to this level, but it's going to rebound. I'm sure it'll be fine. You start talking to yourself like this. This is not what you want to be doing. Hard stops, basically, you come up with how much you're willing to lose going into the position, and you set the stop so that your position will be sold when it hits that level. Highly recommend. The hard stop is a great place to start, particularly for beginners. One of the problems with hard stops is that as your stock moves up, you have to move your stop up with it, which brings us to the trailing stop. The trailing stop moves up with you. So if you set a 5% trailing stop, what will happen is the market or the stock will continue to go up and your stop will continue to go up. But if the stock goes down, it's going to go down to where that trailing stop ended the last time. So it really is a great way to use the stops without having to go in and keep monitoring those stops and changing them. So it's something to consider. I usually set trailing stops that are pretty deep because of the way it does travel up, and you don't want to get stuck on a quick pullback. So I tend to make them a little bit looser. Those are my thoughts about stops, and hopefully that's helped you and will improve your trading. Again, my name, Erin Swenlin with DecisionPoint.com.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.